If you want to quickly turn a YouTube video into a clear, useful summary, ChatGPT can help you do it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to summarize a YouTube video with ChatGPT using a simple transcript-based workflow that works great for notes, research, content repurposing, and fast understanding. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. The first thing you need is the transcript from the YouTube video. Once you have it, open ChatGPT in your browser and get ready to paste it into the message box. If the transcript is long, that's completely fine. ChatGPT is built for handling large amounts of text, and the more complete your transcript is, the better the summary will usually be. Now, before you paste everything in, it helps to give ChatGPT a clear instruction at the top. A simple prompt can make a huge difference in the quality of the output. For example, you can type, "Summarize this video transcript into 5 key bullet points and a 1-paragraph executive summary." That gives ChatGPT a very specific job. Instead of getting a vague response, you'll get a structured summary that is easier to read, easier to scan, and much more useful. After that, paste the full transcript directly underneath your prompt. Make sure the transcript is complete and readable. If the transcript includes weird line breaks, missing words, or extra repeated text, you can still use it, but cleaner text will usually produce better results. Once everything is in place, send the message and let ChatGPT process it. In a few moments, ChatGPT will generate a summary based on the transcript you provided. Depending on the prompt you used, it may return bullet points, a short executive overview, a simplified explanation, or even a more detailed breakdown of the main ideas. If the result is too short, too long, or not specific enough, you can refine your prompt and ask it to focus on the key takeaways, main arguments, action steps, or important conclusions. This is one of the biggest strengths of using ChatGPT for video summaries. You are not limited to one format. You can ask for a quick summary, a detailed outline, chapter-style notes, a study guide, social media copy, or even a list of action items pulled from the video. If you're using this for work or school, you can also ask ChatGPT to simplify the language, highlight important facts, or turn the summary into a clean reference document. Another useful tip is to tell ChatGPT exactly who the summary is for. For example, you can say to explain it for a beginner, make it suitable for executives, or rewrite it in simple language for quick reading. That small detail can completely change the final result and make the summary much more practical for your needs. Once the summary is ready, review it and compare it with the transcript if needed. If you want more accuracy, you can ask follow-up prompts like shorten this further, make it more concise, or turn these bullet points into a paragraph. That way, you can quickly refine the output until it matches what you want. And that's it. You now know how to summarize a YouTube video with ChatGPT by pasting in the transcript and using a clear prompt to guide the response. It's a fast, simple, and powerful way to save time and turn long videos into easy-to-use notes. If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more practical AI tutorials just like this one.